the work that we are doing or the product that we are creating, that itself is very unique in itself. I like working on this product. And when we are into a situation where we are completing that task or the project, it gives a sense of pride that okay, we have created such a good proprietary tool or a product in itself, which is which is pretty revolutionary from a market perspective. So yeah, that gives us sense of pride. Primarily, the evolving requirements were one of the primary challenges, because see, this is a product which we started from being just a simple small task part, and then we grew it up to make it into a full-fledged digital worker with an end-to-end functionality of the invoice processing, and we are coming up with versions of our order processing also. So and for this also, I mean, step by step we had increased the scope, and it has now become into a big product in itself. So if there's a big problem, break it into small ones, and overcome them one after the other, one at a time. You do one particular change and get it into a running condition, and then you will see that okay, yes, this is working fine, and then you get into the next step and address the next problem that needs to be done. But at the same time, we have to keep the bigger picture in mind, so that I mean, at one piece, if we do some changes, it should not impact any other part of the flow. So all those things have to be kept in mind. Plus, we have had pretty good experts in our team, with functional experts. Pawan himself has been a guiding force in it for most part of it, and the whole team is contributing to it. Um I like the work. So when you like the work, then that itself becomes your self motivation. Okay, it gives a sense of belonging and sense of ownership, and you get a sense of ownership. And then what you feel is that yeah, I mean, it is your own responsibility to get it into a better shape. And next, actually, I'm a kind of a perfectionist, so I just always like to uh, make the things better and better. Okay, so if I do something, I at that point of time also, within the time constraints whatever we are doing it, I always think that okay, no, there is something else that can also be done, which can be done in later on. So to make it even better and even complete in all aspects. So that is what works. And then time to time, when we get appreciation of the work that we are doing, that gives a sense of achievement, and that also helps in motivation as such. This product which we have built, it is a great product, and we have been able to launch it into the market, AWS marketplace, and that itself is a one very big achievement. However, there is still things that can get improved further in the product. So we can I mean, I have many of things that are already listed down, which from a functionality coverage perspective, from usability perspective, or maybe I mean, from a technical stability scalability perspective also, that okay, how this product can be made better and more ready for the future, for the upcoming requirements, or which can be easily integrated. So yeah, I mean, structurally, this is one I mean, improvements that I see, that I would like to do in the future also. I mean, Oscar for the accounts payable. That is one product. We can have many more similar products. Order management is already in progress. In future also we can add more products to the kitty which has the same structure and the same hub as the background, and I mean much more many more such products can be created as such. And also I mean from a team perspective, we have a pretty good team, talented people which can be mentored, which I would like to do, and get I mean create many more experts and more leaders from the existing team, so that I mean in future we have a big team that can take on any new load that is coming up.